There are a few different types of ailerons that are used on aircraft. Here are 3 common types. Single-hinged ailerons. Single-hinged ailerons are the most basic and traditional type of ailerons. They consist of a single control surface hinged along the trailing edge of the wing. When one aileron moves up and the other moves down, they create a difference in lift between the wings, causing the aircraft to roll. Differential ailerons. Differential ailerons are designed to minimize adverse yaw, which is the tendency of an aircraft to yaw, rotate around its vertical axis, in the opposite direction of the desired roll. These ailerons are constructed in such a way that the upward deflection of the aileron produces more movement than the downward deflection. This unequal movement reduces the drag on the descending aileron, reducing adverse yaw and improving roll control. Frise ailerons. Frise ailerons incorporate a small projecting section, called a frise, on the lower surface of the upward moving aileron. This frise extends into the airstream when the aileron is deflected upward. The purpose of the frise is to create drag and increase lift on the downward moving wing, helping to minimize adverse yaw. Frise ailerons are particularly effective at reducing adverse yaw at low speeds and high angles of attack. These are just a few examples of the different types of ailerons used on aircraft. The specific design and configuration of ailerons can vary depending on the aircraft size, purpose, and performance requirements.